Hello, beautiful souls. Today we're tackling a common hair woe, dryness. If you've been struggling with lackluster, thirsty locks, after watching this video, you will never get dry hair. And effective tips on preventing dry hair. Let's dive into the world of hydrated, gorgeous tresses. Let's get started. First tip is egg and olive oil mask. Beat an egg and mix it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the mixture to damp hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse. Eggs provide protein, while olive oil adds moisture and shine. Second tip is mayonnaise conditioning treatment. Apply a generous amount of mayonnaise to your hair, focusing on the ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 20-30 minutes before washing. Mayonnaise contains oils that can help hydrate and condition dry hair. Third tip is aloe vera and coconut oil treatment. Mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil and apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing. Aloe vera soothes the scalp, and coconut oil provides deep moisturization. Fourth tip is beer rinsa. Rinse your hair with flat beer after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing with water. The proteins in beer can help nourish and add shine to dry hair. Fifth tip is avocado and banana mask. Mash a ripe avocado and banana, then apply the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Avocado and banana are rich in natural oils and vitamins that moisturize and nourish dry hair. Sixth tip is honey and milk treatment. Mix equal parts honey and milk. Apply the mixture to your hair, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then wash. Honey acts as a humectant, attracting and retaining moisture. Seventh tip is coconut milk soak. Soak your hair in coconut milk for 30 minutes before washing. Coconut milk is rich in fatty acids, providing intense hydration to dry and damaged hair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more hair care tips and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Thank you for watching.